Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to customize our app notifications, which apps will be enabled and which will be disabled from using our pop-ups in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we will go to the settings. Next we're looking for notifications menu here. And at the top we have app notifications. So what does it do? Choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications. It's very self-explanatory. And we have all the apps that are installed on our phone right now. Let's say I don't want any Google Store pop-ups. Turn it off. I don't want any Samsung Pass notifications. But I would like Chrome notifications. Very simple. No need to save the settings, no need to just back out, and it's set. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.